Imagine a startup that's taking on Asia's defense giants, not with guns or tanks, but with AI-powered robots. Bone AI, a Seoul and Palo Alto-based company, just raised $12 million to do exactly that. And here's the kicker. They're already pulling in $3 million in their first year. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment so you never miss these deep dives into game-changing tech. South Korea is a global manufacturing powerhouse, home to companies like Samsung, Hyundai, and LG. But when it comes to defense startups, the scene is still in its infancy. Enter Bone AI, founded by DK Lee, who previously co-founded Mark Vision. Bone is building a unified AI platform that seamlessly integrates software, hardware, and manufacturing. Their mission? Create autonomous aerial, ground, and marine vehicles for government contracts. Right now, they're starting with defense-focused drones designed for logistics, wildfire detection, and anti-drone defense. Less than a year old, Bone already landed a seven-figure government contract and acquired a local drone company, D-Makers, to accelerate their AI capabilities. More acquisitions are on the horizon. Lee isn't just financially invested. He personally put in $1.5 million to show total commitment. His vision goes beyond digital AI. He's building what he calls physical AI, connecting the dots between robotics, AI simulation, hardware design, and large-scale manufacturing. South Korea's unmatched manufacturing ecosystem gives Bone the tools to scale quickly, but Lee's ambitions are global. He aims to expand into the US, Europe, and allied countries, building the industrial backbone for intelligent machines worldwide. Bone AI is sitting at the crossroads of sovereign AI, multipolar defense, and reindustrialization, proving that Asia can compete with defense tech powerhouses in the US and Europe. If you want to stay ahead in AI-driven defense and robotics, this is a company to watch. Watch the related video in the corner now and get the full story on the next wave of physical AI.